Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss 0580 maths of the topic numbers, and we will discuss this worksheet and we will discuss few of the questions. Write the number 2,840,327 in figures. So we can see we can use the reverse order, that is 370. So we can write it over here 370, then 40,000. 40,000 means that this will be 40,300, and then the last one is 2,800,000. 2,800,000 means that we will have 28 over here, because 1 million means 10 lakh, and 2 million means 20 lakh, and 800 means that we have 28 over here. So this will be 2,840,327. Okay, this one is 27, so we have to write it over here 327. So this must be like 27 over here. Let's move to the next one. Write down the common multiple of 18 and 27. So first of all, we can see that the multiples of 18. So this will be 18, 36, 54, and then 54, and then 72, then 90. Let's see the multiples of 24. So this will be 24, 48, and then we will have 72, and then we will have 96. Okay, so now we can see here that we have the common multiple, that will be 72. Okay, so you can write any of the number for the common multiple. Write down the irrational number with the value between 10 and 20. We know that all the integers are rational numbers. So how to find the irrational numbers? For irrational numbers, we can see that let's say square root of 11, because any number under the root except for the perfect squares are the irrational numbers. Like if I say square root of 9, this will be 3. So 3 is a rational number. But here, if they ask the irrational number, so any number under the root that is not a perfect square is called the irrational number. Now this will be the irrational number. Okay, so we can write any of the numbers. Square root of 12 is also irrational number. Square root of 13 is irrational number. Square root of 16 is not an irrational number. So this will be the final answer. Let's move to the next one. Find the lowest common multiple of 24 and 28. Let's find the LCM of these two. So this will be 24 and 28. So we can write 2, 12. Then we will have 14. Then 2, 6, and 7. Then again we will have 6, 1 and 7 as it is. So here this will be 7, 1, and 1. So 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 7. So let's find it out. So this will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 7. So this will be equals to 168. So this will be the final answer. Let's move to the next one. Next question. From the list of the numbers, write down a square number. So we can see that this will be a square number. This is the square of 8. So let's check it out. So square root of 64 will be equals to 8. So it means that this will be the perfect number. Okay, we can test the other numbers also. Let's say square root of 61. So we will get a decimal number. So it means it is not a perfect square. Square root of 62. Square root of 62. So we can see that the answer will be a decimal number 7.8. So it is not a perfect square. So square root of 64. Now we can see that this will be a perfect square, perfect number. So that is why this will be an integer. So this will be a square number. Let's move to the next part. A multiple of 13. Multiple of 13. So multiple of 13 means that let's write the multiple of 13. This will be 13, 26, 39. Then we will have 52 and then we will have 65. So 65 is the multiple of 13. Let's move to the factors of 186. A factor of 186. So we can see that if we multiply if we multiply 62 with 3, what will be the answer? So this will be 186. So it means that 62 is the factor of 186. What does factor means? The factors of 8 will be 4 and 2. These two are the factors. So if we multiply 62 with 3, the answer will be 186. So that is why 62 will be the factor of 186. Let's move to the next one. Write down the prime numbers. Write down the prime numbers. So let's see. Yes, 61 is the prime number. Yes, it is. So the one number is 61. 62 is not a prime number because it comes in the table of 2. 63 is not the prime number because it comes under the in the table of 3. 64 in the table of 2. 65 in the table of 5. 66 in the table of 2. 67 is not in the table of 2, 3, 4 and so on. 68 is in the table of 2. 69 is in the table of 3. So 67 is the other number. So the second answer will be 67. Let's move to the question number 6. Write the number 607,532. So 532 means we can write it as 532. Then we have 7,532. So this will be the number which represents this number. Now 607,000 means we have to write over here that 607,000. Now this will be 607,532. So this will be the final answer. Let's move to the next one. Write down the number 103,806. 806 means 806. And now 103,000. 103,000. This will be the final answer. 103,806. Let's move to the next one. Find the lowest common multiple, LCM. So this will be 32 and 40. So how to find the LCM? We can use the table of 2. So this will be 16, 20, then again 8 and 10, then again 4 and 5, then again here this will be 2 and then 2 and 1 and then 5, 1 and 1. So this will be if we multiply it, so this will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 5. So 2 power 5 multiplied by 5. So this will be 2 power 5 multiplied by 5. So this will be equals to 160. This will be the final answer. Let's move to the next one. Question number 9. Write 180 as a product of its prime factor. Keep this thing in your mind that whenever we have to find out the prime factors, what we have to do, we have to simply take the LCM and use the prime numbers to to simplify this. So this will be 290 and then 2 and 45, and then we can use 3 also. So this will be the 3 and 15. Then we can use the next number, that is, so finally this will be the final answer, product of its prime number. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. This will be the final answer. We can also write it as 2 square 3 square multiplied by 5, but this one is also right. Let's move to the next one, the last one. Write down the prime numbers between 30 and 40. We have discussed it, that how to write the prime numbers. So we can see that 31 is a prime number because it is not a perfect square, perfect root, and it comes under the square root. So that is it for today. So this is the very basic worksheet related to the numbers. If you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. In the next video, we will discuss the remaining questions, the remaining worksheet of related to this topic, numbers. Thank you.